Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for Desert Mirage theme in Dressed and Proud without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay guys, first of all you can choose these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this black color and you can choose this face. Okay, and the next one I'm going to go to this area and select this top, and then I'm going to color it with the black color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, the next one you're going to select the sleeves and you're going to change the toggle 3, and again you're going to make it black. Okay, and I'm going to choose this boot and color it with this brown color for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the ribbon you're going to color it black. Okay, and I'm going to select this mesh. Okay, this one, and I'm going to make it thick. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and choose the stocking as well, make it white, make it black. Okay, and choose this item, just a little like that, and you're going to select this pant, and I'm going to select this skirt, and I'm going to color it brown like this. Okay, I think it's done here, and we're going to go to this hat area. I'm going to choose this item and color it with the brown color, and I'm going to put on mask. I'm going to make it this brown color. Okay, and I'm going to choose this bag. We can color it the same, but I'm going to make the texture to denim. Okay, and then I'm going to the changing room, and I'm going to choose this skirt. Okay, and you're going to choose the skirt only and apply the same brown color. Okay, it's done guys. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.